Hello everyone. Today I will show you that how can you lock WhatsApp on your iPhone with your Face ID or screen lock. Now you can lock your WhatsApp. All you have to do is just open WhatsApp. Now go to settings by clicking here. Now you will get an option of privacy. Click on it. Now you have to scroll down to last, and here you can see there is option of screen lock. Click on it. Now you can see there is option required Face ID. You have to enable this option. Now screen lock is enabled on your WhatsApp. If you go back and click on screen lock again, then you can see few more options like immediate after 1 minute. You can choose when you want to lock your WhatsApp. If you click on immediately, then the WhatsApp will be locked immediately after you close it, or you can select after 1 minute or 1 hour. So you can choose it by yourself. After that, let's close the WhatsApp, or I can unlock it by passcode by entering my passcode. This is how you can lock the WhatsApp on your iPhone. Thank you everyone.